Hello my wonderful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for some ideas or inspiration how to set up your Christmas dining table, my dear, you are in for a treat today because I'm going to be sharing 3 different ways to set up your festive dining space. So make your favorite drink, sit down and enjoy the video.
The classic red and green for traditional Christmas look. Now let's talk about the red and green color combination. This classic pairing has been a staple of Christmas decoration for centuries. It's no wonder that it's still so popular today. Red symbolizes joy, energy, and love, while green represents growth, harmony, and nature. Together, these colors create a festive and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for the holiday season. For this setup, I chose a linen tablecloth and burlap table runner. If you would like, you can use a red tablecloth and will instantly add a festive touch to your table. Next, incorporate green accents like garlands or Christmas greenery branches laying across the table. Next, we'll need some decorative elements to spruce up the table, and I'm using red berries and pinecone garland. You can add some red berry stamps. How about some sparkling red ornaments? They will add a touch of glamour to your table. And of course, no holiday table is complete without candle holders and candles. And there you have a classic red and green Christmas table arrangement which complements your table through the festive times. First thing first, choose neutral color palettes. White, beige, and light gray are great options, and I'm keeping the same linen tablecloth. And to add some visual interest, I'm using sage green table runner. When it comes to create a modern winter wonderland, there are a few key elements to keep in mind. First and foremost, simplicity is the key. And don't forget about the power of natural elements. Greenery such as pine branches or eucalyptus can really elevate your table arrangement. Think about incorporating metallic accents such as gold or silver to add a touch of elegance. Another great way to achieve the modern look is by using geometric shapes, playing around with triangles, squares, or circles to create a visually interesting display. Instead of classic snowflakes, we are going to use a mix of metallic ornaments and glittery stars. These will give your table a touch of sparkle and shine. To complete the look, we will place the candle holders with sage green candles. And there you have a modern winter wonderland table arrangement. Those green, cream and gold colors will give your table a fresh modern feel while still capturing the essence of the holiday season. For the tablecloth, I've chosen a soft, warm-toned linen that adds a touch of elegance to the rustic vibe. On top of that, I've placed a burlap table runner. Next, it is time to bring in the greenery. Use a mix of real and faux foliage such as pine branches, cedar, and spruce. To create a wild, whimsical look, I'm adding branches with mini pine cones. And for this setup, I have decided to put warm white light just to give that touch of magic. Remember, the key to a cozy country Christmas table is to keep it simple and natural. I hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and festive ideas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.